for departing traffic, runway 12 at midfield. Marquette 28 Uniform Lewiston Tower, runway 12 at Delta, cleared for takeoff.
28 Uniform cleared for takeoff at Delta 12, thanks.
Marquette 28 Uniform, when able, request you change to frequency 119.4.
Sorry about that, yep. Tower 20 Uniform's up.
Marquette 28 Uniform, roger, runway 12 at Delta, cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff. Check! Scramble for Cypress CF Host.
Mobile 4, proceed on Charlie. For use caution, there are people running up to that aircraft, so make sure you don't run over anybody.
Scramble 4, roger.
Any vehicles on ground frequency that are going to that accident, you are free to proceed onto the movement areas at any point. CFR 74, if you are on frequency, proceed Foxtrot Alpha and, Foxtrot, then Charlie, cross runway 1230. Engine 74, you may proceed to the accident as requested.
Request permit to proceed with CFR 74.
Engine 74, proceed to the accident as requested via Charlie 4, Charlie.
Scramble 4, let's cross runway 120 on Foxtrot.
Mobile 4, cross runway 30 at Foxtrot.
Scramble 4, cross runway 120 at Foxtrot. Scramble 4, that's runway 120 at Foxtrot, like Foxtrot Alpha Altitude, cross runway 8202.
Mobile 4, proceed, Foxtrot Alpha Altitude 02, cross runway 826.
This is Scramble 4, proceed Foxtrot Alpha Altitude, cross runway 826. Scramble 4, that's runway 6 2 as well as moving area.
Mobile 4.